So in this video we discuss how to create a 5-petal white flower with a black center. So for doing this you must go to your Windows computer keyboard and open your Microsoft Word document, and after that you can try this by using a keyboard shortcut method. So for doing this, after opening your MS Word document, you must just simply go to your keyboard's number lock key. So you must press the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. So you did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10048. So after typing 10048, then only you must release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that if you do like this, then you can see that you have created this symbol, that is for creating a 5-petal white flower with black center. You can use this keyboard shortcut. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.